How's it going, everybody? Hope you guys are having a good weekend. Happy Sunday to you. I thought I might be the only one out here today because it's almost 8 o'clock. It's kind of windy, and I thought I might just be by myself. Boring vlog, not much to show. But Steve just showed up.
Thank you, Boeing. It's been a fun couple weeks, but we do have a new sponsorship.
Boeing's out.
Thank you, Oscar Mayer Wiener. Really appreciate it.
You're moving up in the world.
Woo!
That sounds good.
Scale sound. Oh my God. Woo! Oh.
Too windy.
Is Brian there?
Hey, I think you could put another airplane on there.
Can we stack another one on there?
There's an RC club around here somewhere that shows up once every 6 months.
There you go.
Oh, there
More
we go.
better.
Hey,
More is better.
More better. Thank you.
Oh yeah, you're actually helping him. That's nice.
Hey, do you like my new F-27?
Oh, that's cool. Where'd you get it?
I got it from some guy who sold it. I like the servo edition there. That was really great. Yeah, that's a master repair job. Right there. and you know, my first question is why wouldn't they put the servos on the top?
It's less aerodynamic.
Okay.
I did a video on this guy the other day, UMX F-27 FPV, and it's a little windy again, but I think we'll take it up for another flight.
Under the net. Whoa. It's like a mosquito coming across the field. Wow. That's pretty cool. I cannot follow it. Look at the net. Ooh. Whoa! Nice. Good job, dude. Landing. Landing? Nice. Brakes. Nice.
Wow.
Good job there.
Under the net and lands it.
Under the net and landing. Don't come towards us.
Solid work, man. We're back to Boeing.
Back to Boeing.
Yeah,
I got a sticker. I'm so happy. Wow, effort.
Hey Keenan, what is this?
The weekly jet.
It's the weekly jet.
This is probably not going to fly very well. It doesn't have any adapters.
So what's new?
Hey,
what's new?
Hey, do you have any more stickers? Oh yeah.
Got it. Can you describe your technique on the sticks?
Yeah, it's thumb and pinch. God. Can I come join you? Yay! Clean shaven wheel. Looks like something out of the Transformer movies.
Whoa.
Under the net. Oh, why did he listen to us?
Try it again.
Yeah, baby! Everybody, thanks for coming and joining us. It was a fun morning, kind of windy, and thank you, Oscar Meyer Wiener, for the hat. Really appreciate it. Thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next week, okay?
See you later.
Later.